In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove the background color in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're preparing a document for print or just want a cleaner look, removing the background color can make your PDFs look more professional and easier to read. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Once your document is open, the first step is to navigate to the tools you need. Look towards the top of the screen and you'll find a tab labeled All Tools. Click on this to access the full range of Adobe Acrobat's functionalities. From this extensive menu, select Edit a PDF. This feature is designed to give you the flexibility to make changes to your document, including adjustments to the background. Once you're in the Edit PDF mode, you'll notice a secondary toolbar has appeared. This toolbar contains various options for editing your document. Focus on finding the More option, which should be visibly accessible. Clicking on More will reveal additional features, including the background option. Hover over or click Background to open a small menu. From here, select Remove. This is the key step where Adobe Acrobat will prepare to eliminate the background color from your document. After you select Remove, a confirmation dialog box will pop up. This is Adobe Acrobat's way of ensuring you're making the change intentionally. The system will ask you if you want to permanently remove the background. Click Yes to confirm your decision. This is a crucial step because once the background is removed, it cannot be undone through the undo function. If you have second thoughts or need to preserve the original format, it might be wise to save a copy of your document before making this change. And that's it. You've successfully removed the background color from your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This simple process can greatly enhance the readability and aesthetic of your document. Remember, if you need to make further edits or adjustments, you can always return to the Edit a PDF tool and explore other options available in Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to understand. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore Adobe's support resources or leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat and other software tools. Until next time, happy editing